Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Ortho Sleep with Cyracos, 60 vegetarian capsules. Product Overview Description. Promotes restful sleep. Advanced vegan non-GMO gluten-free dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing. Quality assured independent testing. Discussion. Ortho Sleep is a comprehensive formula including the most powerful and clinically studied natural ingredients available, including melatonin, GABA, valerian root and lemon balm extract. Promotes normal, calm and peaceful sleep. Suggested use. Take 2 capsules before bedtime without food or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients. Capsule, hypromellose and purified water, maltodextrin, silicon dioxide, gum arabic and sodium stearyl fumarate. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if pregnant or breastfeeding. Consult a healthcare practitioner prior to use if you have a medical condition or if you're using other medications. Keep out of reach of children. Do not drive or use machinery for 5 hours after taking Ortho Sleep. Exercise caution if operating heavy machinery, driving a motor vehicle or involved in activities requiring mental alertness. Hypersensitivity, for example allergy, has been known to occur, in which case, discontinue use and consult a healthcare provider. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.